What happened?
Nothing, I just came to show you nose.
There's a small step there, right?
Yeah.
The place where it starts, the graph.
Muscle was there, right? Yes, previously.
Okay, what we can do is we can put a small filler there.
But then
Sorry,
again.
no, maybe our small area it will be fine. We just put that because the rest of it looks nice, right? The nose. And we did a revision for you, right? You did the first surgery somewhere and then I did a revision. First surgery எங்க பண்ண?
Bangalore.
வேற பண்ணோம். எவ்வளவு நாள் ஆச்சு நோஸ் பண்ணி?
இப்போ இது பண்ணியா? மேல பண்ணா.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பண்ணது 1 இயர். இது பண்ணது ஏப்ரல் பார்.
மே, ஜூன், ஜூலை, ஆகஸ்ட், செப்டம்பர் 6 months ஆகுது. இங்க மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் தெரியுது எப்படி? That's okay, you don't want to do anything. We'll put filler for you, don't worry.
But then அது எப்படி feel பண்ணல?
But 1 year, some people, it doesn't dissolve so much. It will be managing. You can, and it's a very simple thing. இப்படி இங்க உட்கார வச்சு பண்ணி விட்டுருவோம் இன்னைக்கு.
அது இது பண்றதுக்கு 1 இயர் போகும்.
லிக்விட் மாதிரி எது ஃபீல் பண்ணுவாங்க?
அது பண்ணா
என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க? எது வந்தாங்க?
First you had suggested for chin and jaw also.
This is a chin and jaw.
Last June.
I want that. Hey, you came here first, then you got rhinoplasty done somewhere, then you came for a revision rhinoplasty. Okay. Yeah, you wanted chin, V-line and all. வேண்டாம் நினைக்கிறேன், வேணுமா? மாஸ்க் எடு. என்ன பண்ணணும் எக்ஸாக்டா?
இது பிராடா இருக்கு. அதுக்கப்புறம் எனக்கு ஜாவோட லென்த் வந்து அதிகமாக
கரெக்டாக தான் இருக்கு.
இல்லை சைட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் நாட் ப்ரொபோர்ஷனல்.
इनका स्कैन कहाँ पे है? Not today, last time.
We did 2 times.
Where is it? नाम कुछ चेंज हुआ है क्या? हाँ. இது சொல்றியா? அதான் ஒன்றும் தெரியல வெளியில.
No, see this is not like this, right? So there is a dip here, no?
So what does the dip here also?
Means that can be.
No, I don't think you should touch that area and all. It's good. There's a small dip there. It's not visible, right?
But then it's different, no? In that sense, like if it's the shape of it. Seriously, the shape is not different. It's not proportional to cut it from the side.
ஏதோ 2-3 மில்லிமீட்டர் வித்தியாசமா இருக்கு. அது கரெக்ட் பண்ணணும் உனக்கு இப்போ. உனக்கு யார் சொன்னா இப்படி இருக்குன்னு? I used the first time scan you saw is it. Slight thing, like now it's not visible. That time probably it was more visible. Now it's not so visible also for me. Either this is a more gentle curve. Either one or small, but this side is looking more beautiful.
Yeah, that's why I wanted this side also to be like that.
Then you have to put some foreign material there. Not a good idea.
Okay. At least
Chin. At least chin. Chin we can. Why you want to do chin? Naladani, you're already good.
no, it's broad, right?
It is a little bit broad, but But it suits you.
And it's not proportional, no? If you see this height is not.
Kind of proportional only.
If you see like this, if I get it forward, no?
Ah.
You see
You want it like that, like a stronger chin.
strong chin. And it's really possible to reduce this.
No. Not possible. All that is impossible to do.
No, but then.
There are other things don't do.
That will be proportional.
Which length you want me to reduce now?
My face is lengthy. If you see the lower part of it doesn't feel like that.
No. I don't think your face is looking lengthy for me. Looking correct, looking good. In the scan, there's a small thing that is there, but this makes it look slightly better for you than this side, which looks a bit too rounded. But if you want to correct that, like that, you have to put foreign material. It's not a great idea. Chin mandir, there's a small, like a, yeah.
And then I want it to be
So you like, that's actually looking cute on you. If you want me to make it pointy, I can do. Length, you're doing it like that, it's a little bit forward. If you want, we can do that.
Seeing that 6 millimeters of horizontal augmentation and 3 millimeters of vertical augmentation. We made the chin a little bit more pointy, as you can see, and this is like you would call a very minimal V line, because it was broad and we've got it like a nice V line. Now there's a small gap here that's going to heal on its own. It's not that big a gap. Got very good bony contacts on the sides, so it's going to heal very quickly. We've used 1, 2, 3 hole plates, and each having 2 screws.
Hey, how are you doing? Is there a lot of swelling?
Oh, so much pain.
Where's the pain? Okay. Is there swelling a lot?
Yeah.
Torch, give me the torch.
Yeah, right, doctor. I took it out.
Where is it?
I shouldn't have done.
Okay. Why is it open? Shit. I just want to see over here. Okay. Right. Swelling
My doctor
is-
has checked morning also. She ordered that cream yesterday also.
See, the swelling is more now, and then once you remove this, yeah, we just remove that. Then the swelling will come down. Not going to pain much.
It's not going to pain much.
Pain a bit.
Tomorrow morning can remove. I just put some. Oh, see.
Soda is enough. Okay. Open. Yeah, everything is good. So we can safely go home. We'll give you a lotion which you'll apply. Okay, no step like that badly visible. I think it's fine. You eat soft solid food and all that. Right now you can eat things like idli. It's not so much of a problem. Only thing, if the food goes wrong, then it's difficult to clean. And tomorrow we'll take a scan and show you how many millimeters is being done. And 5 millimeters is being done. That's all what was planned. And in this Hailagun Jasti was done because there was a swelling.
Yeah.
That's it. It looks swollen and tense now because it's just been done. If you wait for a few weeks and then 3-4 months ago for the final look to come, it will look better. I don't think it's going to look bad.
Okay.
So it's not something you will decide right now.
Can we remove the stitches?
No, we'll never remove these stitches. So these stitches automatically dissolve. It might take a month.
Then it's okay.
No? And so if you go tomorrow,
Mm.
they can discharge you tomorrow, and then if possible, come once.
Mm.
If you can't come, then it's all right. There's a follow-up number you can take because we're actually discharging a little early.
Okay.
Generally, we like to keep patients for a week.
Mm.
But it's okay if you want to go, you can go tomorrow, but just follow up because everything is nice.
Mm.
Main thing, intraoral hygiene.
Mm.
So you have to make sure that there's no like infection from inside the mouth.
Mm.
So we give you a gel which you'll apply 3 times a day. You will start brushing. You'll not rinse your mouth. You'll not eat chewy, hard foods. That's it. And then it'll automatically heal up.
Okay.
Alright?